Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about Surfshark coupon code. So I will show you the coupon code also, and here you can see that Surfshark VPN coupon code get 83% off for a limited time. So you need to come at the website of Surfshark and you can get a coupon code. Okay, so what is the coupon code? I will show you that. So first you need to go to the Surfshark pricing page and choose a subscription, and then you need to click on got coupon on the right. So let me show you this. There are many plans. You need to click on get Surfshark, and after that here you can choose any of the plan which you want to choose. Okay, after that you need to log in with your email ID. Okay, after logging with your email ID, there is one coupon code. Let me show you that coupon code. Just a second. And after that let me show you that coupon code. Okay, here you can see there is one coupon code available. Just a second. Okay, so you can use Shark gift to save 83% on your online security and get a free month, as you can see here. So let me show you this again. So this is the coupon code which you can apply in your Surfshark account. For that you need to first create an account and then you can apply a coupon code, or you can click on redeem your coupon now. Okay, after that just select a plan, connect your account and apply the coupon code. The coupon code which I have shown you, you can apply that coupon code. So this is the video related to Surfshark. One more thing, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel till yet, and we'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching my video related to Surfshark. Okay, and this is the most popular plan. You can choose this plan. With this you can get plus 4 free month, and you are getting this in INR 229 rupees per month. Okay, we'll see you soon in another video.